Basically, you don't really have to worry about fees. To be honest, like the Etsy fees and stuff, like it doesn't really make sense to like think about this and worry about this because it's fees based upon your revenue, not based on your profit. So like you just count it into your profit. So let's say you have an order from the UK. I can bring this up as well. Look, let's say you have an order from the UK. United Kingdom. It's literally right there. So you pay 4% transaction fees plus 20p, 6.5%. So you pay 10.5% fees plus 20p for the privilege to be able to sell on Etsy, right? So if you're going to sell on a platform like Shopify, you're going to get charged, I think it's like 2.5% transaction fees plus 20p. So you are paying a lot more, don't get me wrong, right? But they're bringing the people to the marketplace for you, right? So they're bringing the people to you. So that's why it's way better position, right? Bringing them to you. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.